Hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again. And for today's video, I want to share to you some of the benefits of intermittent fasting. So, minsan, ginagawa po natin yan at hindi naman minsan, madalas, pero minsan talaga pag sobrang gutom ako, kumakain ako. Pero aside from low carb, kailangan din natin sabayan ng intermittent fasting. So, the minimum intermittent fasting na kaya kong gawin is 13 hours. Sinasabay ko bago matulog, dapat bago matulog nakapag fasting na ako, no? So 13 hours. So benefits ng intermittent fasting, weight loss, inflammation, insulin resistance, improve heart health, cardiovascular health. It also improves longevity, sleep, type 2 diabetes, brain health, cancer. It also helps prevent Alzheimer's disease, improve mental and emotional wellness, lower blood pressure, and it also lowers cholesterol. So, most of the benefits talaga ay pasok na pasok sa akin kasi mayroon akong diabetes type 2, mataas ang cholesterol ko, may high blood po ako, at ano pa, palagi ako nahahapo, kulang tayo sa tulog, ano pa, weight loss, pumayat na po ako ng ilang kilos since intermittent fasting ako at low carb. So for more videos and more tips, please follow my Facebook account and God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.